Hey guys, Keith here from Injector-Rehab. Today's video we're going to be going over how to replace all the components on a fuel injector. It's as simple as removing the old components, putting the new components on. Sometimes the visual is nice to see, so here's a little video on how to do it. The easiest way to remove any O-ring is to pinch between your index finger and your thumb and slide it to the side, removing it with your other thumb to roll it over the top. Pintle caps can be a little more difficult to get off. Usually you just need something thin that you can pry between the bottom of the injector and the pintle cap to pop it out. You can also use a blade to cut the cap, make little incisions on either side, and the cap should fall off. Once the cap is removed, it's going to expose the pintle on an actual pintle injector. It's a small metal piece protruding out of the bottom of the injector, you can see here. You don't want to damage that. If it breaks off, the injector is no good. Once the old components are removed off of the injector, you can just start reinstalling the new components in reverse order, starting with the spacer, then the O-rings, and then the pintle cap. When replacing the cap on a pintle style injector, you need to be very careful not to damage it. When you're going to press the cap on, you need to have something with a relief in it. We're using a simple adapter we had laying around here that has a hole in the middle so that when it's pressed down, the pintle does not hit a flat surface. You can use anything, even a piece of wood where you have a hole drilled in it as a relief. For the upper O-ring, it's as simple as rolling the new O-ring right over the top. We have an entire video dedicated to removing the filters out of the injectors, you can see on our channel. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. Just take the old components off, replace the new components. If you're not comfortable doing that, you probably shouldn't be doing this project of working on your vehicle's fuel system anyway. But good luck to you at home, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the notification buttons for future videos like this.